Hey guys, MGL here with another interesting multiplication and division video. Today, I will show you an awesome trick to multiply and divide by 5. First, let's look at multiplying by 5. Suppose you had to multiply 12 by 5. Most of you would know it's 60. But if you didn't, this is how you would multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. Write the 0 and 1 carry forward. 5 times 1 is 5 plus the carry forward equals 6. And you get the answer 60. Today, I will show you an easy method for quick multiplication by 5. With practice, you'll be able to write the answers instantly, just like this. Here are the steps I used to get the answers so quickly. Step 1. Divide the number by 2. Let's look at the first example. 46 divided by 2, or half of 46 is 23. Step 2. Multiply the answer by 10. Multiplying a whole number by 10 is extremely easy. All you do is write a 0 after the unit digit. So 23 multiplied by 10, you write the 23 and add a 0. 230 is your answer. 84 multiplied by 5. Step 1. Divide 84 by 2 and you get 42. Multiply 42 by 10 and your answer is 420. Isn't it simple? The best part is you can multiply by 5 mentally. So the two steps are divide by 2, multiply by 10. But did you know that these steps can be swapped and you still get the right product? So you could multiply by 10 and divide by 2. I prefer the previous method though. It's totally up to you. Let me do these the second way. 38 multiplied by 10 equals 380, and 380 divided by 2 equals 190. So that's your answer. One more. 230 multiplied by 5. Step 1. Multiply 230 by 10 and you get 2,300. Divide 2,300 by 2 and you get 1,150. No matter in which order you carry out the operations, you will still get the product of any number multiplied by 5. Now let's look at dividing by 5. According to me, dividing by 5 is even easier. All you have to do is inverse the operations. Instead of dividing by 2 and multiplying by 10, we will now multiply by 2 and divide by 10. Let's work out a few. 350 divided by 5. Step 1. Multiply by 2. 350 multiplied by 2 is 700. Step 2. Divide by 10. Dividing by 10 is very easy. Just remove 1 0. 700 divided by 10 is 70. 350 divided by 5 is 70. 185 divided by 5. Step 1. Double 185 or multiply 185 by 2. In one of my previous videos, I've shown you a really handy trick to double or multiply by 2. If you'd like to check that out, please click the I above or view it in the description below. You can apply that here. 185 times 2 equals 370. Step 2. Divide 370 by 10 and you get 37. 185 divided by 5 equals 37. Like in multiplication, even in division, you can swap the operation around. So you could divide by 10 first and then multiply by 2, whichever you are comfortable with. Let me show you how it's done. 1,250 divided by 5. Step 1. Divide by 10. 1250 divided by 10 is as simple as removing the 0. So the answer is 125. Step 2. Double it or multiply by 2. 125 multiplied by 2 is 250. Let's take a larger number. 18,350 divided by 5. Step 1. Divide by 10. So 18350 divided by 10 is 1835. Step 2. Multiply the answer by 2. So 1835 multiplied by 2. Use the doubling trick from left to right and you will get the answer as 3670. So 18,350 divided by 5 equals 3,670. This is a great, easy and fun way to multiply and divide by 5. Practice it and you'll be able to impress everyone with your quick calculations. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye!